Today, I'm going to teach you how to generate team codes and join teams with codes in Microsoft Teams. This feature is incredibly useful when you want to quickly add members to your team without sending individual invitations, making collaboration much smoother and faster. Let's start by opening your Microsoft Teams application and logging into your account. Once you're signed in, take a look at the left side of your screen where you'll see various navigation options. Click on Teams. This section displays all the teams you're currently part of and gives you access to their settings and management features. Now locate the specific team where you want to generate a team code. Once you've found it, click on the three dots that appear right beside the team name. This will open a drop-down menu with several options for managing your team. From this menu, click on Manage Team. This takes you to a dedicated management interface where you can control various aspects of your team's setup and configuration. At the top of the management page, you'll notice several tabs. Click on Settings. Within the Settings menu, look for the option labeled Team Code and click on it. This is where you'll be able to create the shareable code for your team. You'll see a button that says Generate. Go ahead and click Generate, and Microsoft Teams will automatically create a unique team code for you. This code can now be shared with anyone you want to invite to join your team quickly and easily. Now let's move on to the second part, joining a team using a code. On the left side of your screen, click on See All Your Teams. This view shows you all available teams and provides options for creating or joining new ones. In the upper right corner of this page, you'll see a button labeled Create Team. Click on the arrow down beside it to reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, click on Join Team. You'll now see a section that says Join a Team with a code. This is where you'll enter the team code that was generated earlier. Type in the code carefully, ensuring all characters are correct. Once you've entered the code, click on Add Team, and that's it. You've successfully joined the team using the code, and you'll immediately have access to all the channels, files, and conversations within that team. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.